Hello everyone. Today it's our first class on class 10th mathematics, and today we see our first chapter, and the chapter's name is real numbers. Real numbers. What are real numbers? In class 10 we have studied about real numbers. Real numbers are collection of rationals and irrationals. That is a set of all rational numbers and irrational numbers called real numbers. So we can say all natural numbers, that is 1 2 3 dot all whole numbers 0 1 2 3, all integers -3 -2 -1 1 0 1 2 all rationals, that is all a number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0. These all are rational numbers, so all rationals are also real numbers. All irrationals, that is root 2 root 3 root 5 and so on, these all are also real numbers. So we can say in general all rationals and irrationals together called real numbers. Now, first topic of this chapter, our first topic is Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. What is lemma? Lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove any other statement. लेमा ऑलरेडी एक प्रूवन स्टेटमेंट होता है जिसका यूज हम लोग दूसरे स्टेटमेंट को प्रूफ के लिए करते हैं. And what is Euclid's division lemma? So to understand Euclid's division lemma, we have to see first some examples. Suppose we consider two positive examples, two positive integers like 26 and 5. Suppose 26 and 5 are two positive integers and we divide 26 by 5. 5 5 are 25, 1. And now we can write dividend, that is 26 is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is 26 is equal to 5 into 5 plus 1. यहाँ पे देखने की चीज़ है कि जब भी हम लोग किसी भी डिवाइजर से किसी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को डिवाइड करते हैं, देन रिमाइंडर मस्ट बी लेस देन 5 और लेस देन द डिवाइजर. इन दिस केस इफ यू डिवाइड 26 by 5 ना, वी मस्ट गेट रिमाइंडर लेस देन 5. या 5 से किसी भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को अगर डिवाइड करते हैं देन रिमाइंडर में भी आइदर 0 1 2 3 और 4, ना तो 4 से अधिक हो सकता है ना ही 0 से छोटा. सो we can take another example like 27 and 2. Divide 27 by 2. 2 1 are 2, cancel 7, 2 3 are 6, 1. In this case also remainder is less than 2 and we can write 27 equals 2 into 3 plus 1. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in general, what is Euclid's division lemma? Euclid's division lemma, for any two positive integers, suppose a and b, for any two positive integers, suppose a and b, and b is less than a, suppose b is less than a, that is we divide a by b, there exists unique quotient and remainder. There exist unique q and r such that a equals b into q plus r, where condition for remainder is r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. रिमाइंडर या तो 0 या 0 से बड़ा होगा या फिर डिवाइजर से छोटा होगा. सो यूनिक q and r means unique q and r means if we divide 26 by 4, 4 6 is 24, रिमाइंडर इज 2. अगर हम 26 को 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्वोशेंट हमारा फिक्स है, यूनिक है, 6 ही आएगा. अगर क्वोशेंट 6 ना आके 5 आता है तो आपका डिवीजन रॉन्ग है. इसलिए किसी एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को जब हम दूसरे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्वेश्चन यूनिक होता है, रिमाइंडर भी यूनिक होता है. सो वी कैन से फॉर एनी टू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स a and b there exist unique q and r such that a equals bq plus r where r is greater than or equals to 0 less than b. So the general statement for Euclid's division lemma is for any two positive integers, suppose a and b, there exist unique q and r such that a equals to bq plus r where r is greater than or equals 0 and less than b. This is a Euclid's division lemma. For any two positive integers a and b, for any two positive integers a and b, there exists unique q and r. There exists unique q and r such that a equals bq plus r where r is greater than or equals 0 and less than b. So it's our Euclid's division lemma. Now in next video we will solve some examples which are based on Euclid's division lemma.